And the thing like, I'm talking about, and the little hot dogs are white pink.
They're gross.
I like them. I ate them at home and I like them.
You do?
Yes.
What do you eat them with? Crackers?
No.
What do you eat them with?
Nothing.
They're nasty.
No, them are not.
I think they're gross.
No, I ate them at home and them are not gross.
What are they called?
Weenies.
A,
And I told them that.
a Vienna sausage?
No, them are tall weenies.
Called weenies?
Yes, them are little hot dogs. Dummy, something.
You want something else other than that? 'Cause that's gross.
No, I ate at home and that tastes yummy.
Ugh. They're gross.
Well, let me show you downstairs.
I'll get Jim to give you some.
No,
Yeah, she wants you to.
them are white and there's a bow and it says stop wood.
I know what they look like.
There's a bow.
Yes, there's a bow.
You pop the top off and you dump them out with all their slime onto the plate, and you have nasty little weenies to eat.
No, they're not.
They're disgusting.
No, I ate them at home.
They're gross.
No, I ate them last
How
night.
about tater tots?
What do they taste like?
Tastes like nothing. It just tastes like that.
Like chicken.
Let's get something else.
No, I
How
just
about
ate
tater
it.
tots? French fries.
No, I always ate tater tots.
Do you like them though?
I know. I just ate them.
What about cereal?
I already ate cereal.
You didn't have Cocoa Puffs
I don't want that knife.
or Tricks?
Bricks? Little bricks.
You know, the silly rabbit tricks are for kids.
I don't want them. I think I did that because you was talking.
What do you want?
Mummy thing.
Try to turn on the TV.
No, stop.
What do you want, Case?
I want.
Can you turn the TV up?
Can you pause it?
What do you want?
Can you pause it for us?
No, he wants to be able to hear the TV.
Pause it. Wait, pause it?
No pausing.
He loves TV.
No pausing.
You can't live without it.
Yeah.
Casey, what do you want to eat now?
You tell me now, say yes or no?
Cereal?
No.
Tater tots?
No.
Little weenies?
Yes.
Blech. Okay, all right.